Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change your angle reading from an azimuth to a bearing. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've got my project, I've got some points laid out, and if I use my calculation tool here to select my traverse option, what I can do is I can enter an angle into my azimuth distance. So this is going to be an angle from true north. So in this case, I'm going to say I want an angle of 45 degrees. And if you see here, if I enter an angle of 45, set a start point and a distance, I am projecting a point out from my original point at 45 degrees. So if I close this menu and head to my main menu with the plumb bob option, and then to my settings, I can go units and scale. And you can see here that if I click on units and scale, I have an option for quadrant bearing. So I'm going to check the box for quadrant bearing and then head back to my map screen and go to that traverse tool again. And you can see if I enter a start point of 1 here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter an azimuth with the number 4 and then 5, and you can see here that I've created an angle of 5 degrees in quadrant number 4. And with my distance set, I can project a point out. And that is how you change your angle readout from an azimuth to a quadrant bearing. And that is everything for today's video. If you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.